In this video of our new 240 volt machine, we'll discuss the features. I'm sure you're looking forward to seeing what this machine actually produces as far as steam and pressure. Before we get into that, I want to explain the size difference. This is the new 240 volt machine. So I purposely wanted to make it smaller than the 155 machine, and I purposely wanted to go from the larger 5-liter tanks down to the 2-liter tanks. We've lost this bracket, we didn't need it. We've lost those bike handles at the top, we didn't need it. And we've really kind of copied our brand new 125 machine. So if you can see, there's not too much of a difference between the size of the bodies. The face of the machines look almost exactly the same, and I wanted to keep the two 2-liter tanks. So this is our chemical tank that sits on the top, nice and secure with a rubber strap. And on the back, we've kept the water tank on the back, the same as in our existing 125 machine and our 100 machine. So that's what fills the boiler. As far as simplicity, it's as simple to use as your steam adjustment is here, your chemical adjustment is here. You can read your pressure on the gauge, very important, our green light and our red light, that helps to see what's going on with the machine, and the on-off switch. So with this machine, it's a 13-foot steam hose length as compared to what we did with the 155, we did 16 feet. So I wanted to reduce it just a little bit. The boiler obviously is slightly smaller in the new 240 volt machine. We could not use the same size boiler for two reasons. We needed to get the price down a little bit, and the boiler in the 155 would not fit in this body, and the whole idea was to make the body smaller. Make the body smaller for shipping. If the machine breaks and you need to ship it back to me, it's a little easier to ship the machine back to me. So we've gone from these bigger wheels to these wheels, and these wheels have worked perfectly on the 125 machine, so I decided to keep these wheels. So again, as you can see, there's not too much of a difference in size. There's only 1.5 inches difference in width. There's 2.5 inches in height and about 2 inches in length. So it's a very, very similar size machine, and the weight difference between the new 240 and the existing new version of the 125 is about 5 or 6 pounds. So you can still carry it around by the handle. The hose is still detachable. So for those of you that want 240 volt power, but the nice compact size of the existing 125 machine, this is the difference. So again, the 155 is not coming back. And it's not coming back because it was a bad machine. It was an absolutely fabulous machine. I just didn't want it so big anymore. And we wanted to make a machine that saved you a little bit of money. So you'll see price-wise that the new 240 volt machine actually is cheaper. So the 240 volt machine, we've been able to get the price down by a considerable amount. And I think in these days, that's a pretty good accomplishment. So stay tuned for the next video and we'll talk about performance.